Well friends, here is a problem 67 and the given question is this. We have to find this missing part, and in the previous example what we did, we just completed part of figure and then compared the given options, finally eliminated some of the options and came to right option. In this example what I will do, I will try to complete the given figure on the paper itself and then I will compare that part the given options. Okay friends, so first I will complete this figure. So this line will come here and this is going to join this. Okay, I think you can see this. This is the outside portion completed, that is the hexagon. Now inside I am having one more hexagon that can be seen easily. This is the inside hexagon which I am completing. Okay. Next I am having a triangle and this triangle is here. So this line should meet to this point. Okay. Now this line has to meet the same point. Now I am having one more triangle. Yes, this triangle. That means this line has to come and to meet this point. Okay, this line is meeting to this point. Okay, this completes the given figure. Is there any part that I missed out? Yes, I missed a cross line. This cross line has to meet this point. So just complete this. Okay, now I completed the missing part. The next step is just see this part in the given options and finally take the correct option. If you see first option, is it matching with the first option? Observe carefully. Is it matching? Yes, it is exactly matching with the drawn figure here. So first option itself is the right option. This is how we solve this example. The previous example what we did, we just drawn a part of figure and then eliminated some of the options, finally come to correct option. In this example, we completed that figure and then compared the drawn figure with the given options and then come to final correct option. Okay friends, now I will move to next problem.